How did I get here? Let's just say things got a little out of hand. Okay, first step, let's clear everything out. My friend Kevin is lending a hand with this. Let's start by deciding what it says and what goes. Like it, keep it. Don't need it, throw it away. All right, with a clean garage, it's time to plan. We are at the stage where we need some measurements to plan out where to install our workbench, organizers, tool cabinet, and pegboard. Let's organize the pegboard together. Then we have this awesome tool cabinet on wheels that I love. It's movable, so you can take it wherever you need it, especially for outdoor projects. With this level of organization, you'll never be embarrassed to show off your garage again. Plus, no more excuses for putting off those projects. You've got everything you need right at your fingertips. By the way, stay tuned for the next video where we're gonna put this garage to the test with an incredible project. Until then, happy organizing!
Ronix Premium Quality.